Hello again everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri and today I'm going to teach you how to make a long distance paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to give video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe my channel. And a little bit more information about this plane and how I come up with the design. I got inspired from Amazing Paper Airplanes book. There's a very unique base fold from that book that I think is awesome. So I use that base fold to create this paper airplane. So now let's start. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, don't worry. Use A4 paper, use A10 paper. As long as you have copies paper that's not too thick, you can make this plane. And now let's start. First of all, let's estimate about 1 inch from the edge here along this side, and let's fold it down. I will turn the paper this way so that you can see how I fold it. 1 inch is about this much. I'll use my finger, just estimate. Alright, so 1 inch is about this size. Do we need a ruler to fold this plane? I don't think so. You do not need it. If you don't have the ruler, that should work as well. So just fold this like this, and then I will turn the paper this way again. Let's fold the paper in half. Press it down hard, and then unfold the paper. What will be the next step? Let's flip the paper over and fold the paper in half again. Just fold it in half. Okay, so fold the paper in half. Okay, after you fold the paper in half, let's unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for the other side. So very simple, just do it. Repeat the same fold. Let's do it. Make sure that both sides are even. Now they are even. I'll rest out the paper. Press it down. And on the following step, I will flip the paper over. And this is what I have. I have the center crease right here. I will start from this tip. I fold straight down to the end of the paper to this side. Alright, and I press down the paper. Now I have this line. I will use this line as a reference to fold this triangle shape up. I'll fold this triangle shape up. I will turn the paper this way again, alright? And you can see that. I'll hold the paper and I'll just fold it up like this. For now, I just press down the paper to make sure that all edges are lined up, and then I will flip the paper over. Alright, so this is what we should have for now. After I flip the paper over, I will match this edge to the center crease. Right, I'll match that edge to the center crease. And here we go. So this is what we should have for now. And then you can see this size of the paper. I'll just pull it out like this. Okay, I'll pull it out. And this is what we have for one side. Let's repeat the same fold for the other side. I will match this edge to the center crease as well. Okay, and I'll press down the paper. And then what do I do next? I'll just pull this part of the paper out. I'll pull it out like this. Okay, I'll just adjust it and I'll pull it out. Be patient, alright? Otherwise you won't be able to make it. Okay, and then I can pull it a little bit more. I just adjust it. Okay, make sure that both sides are even, and I just pull it out. Okay, press down and I pull it out. And after make sure that both sides are even, I can press down the paper too. Okay, just press down the paper, and then I can turn the paper over. Alright, so this is what we have. and then I fold the paper in half. I'll make sure that I don't fold this part. Just fold the paper in half. Okay, I will not press down it first for now. Okay, I'll just use it. Actually, I can put in here. Just fold the paper in half, and then what should I do next? I'll match this edge to this edge. Okay, I'll match both edges, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. So if you can match our edges together, this plan flies very well. Okay. I'll press down the paper, and I can open the wings like this, and at the top, okay, the top is quite interesting. I'll pull it up like this, right, and I'll press this down. I'll make an arrowhead, so this plan will have an arrow on the top, and this will flies very well. Okay. The thing I like about this pen is this has a combination of all new design, and this will help the pen fly very well. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And on the following step, very simple, just fold the wings down, just fold it down. Okay, I will fix it a little bit so that this won't too flat. So now I put the wings down, and I'll fold a straight line to make sure that the line parallel with this edge to create the elevators. So I'll just fold like this. Estimate about half an inch again along this edge. Okay, so this is about half an inch, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over and do the same step. Alright, let's press this down and make sure that this is an arrow. Right, otherwise this won't fly very well. And fold the wings up a bit. Okay, so this plan has a very nice design, and it flies very well because it has no restriction, almost zero restriction when you fold it correctly. So even the wings will flow from here to here to here, and the wings flow on the bottom of the plants, and if you can do it, the plant should fly very far. Or in case if the plant doesn't fly at all, you can make the elevators at the end up a bit like this. Okay, so this is the arrowhead. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Once again, and finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.